independent economist has sounded the alarm on the number of jobless people in the country. On the surface, things don't look so bad, with the unemployment rate increasing marginally year-on-year to 3.5% in September. That's expected to inch up to 3.6% in 2017. But if you look closer at the jobs market, things are looking dire. Ex-Khazanah Research Institute Director Muhammad Abdul Khalid points out that 90% of those aged between 15 and 29 were unemployed last year. He says even the number of unemployed graduates has increased to 34% in 2015 from 30% in 2013. That's 1 in 3 graduates with no jobs. He goes on to say that he doesn't want to sound pessimistic, but he finds the situation alarming. Muhammad believes this will be slightly challenging to Malaysia's high-income nation ambitions. That's because it's already difficult to get a job, let alone a high-paying one. Ringgit has once again won the title of worst performing currency in Asia. This is despite Bank Negara's attempt to clamp down on non-deliverable forward trades to curb speculation. The ringgit has weakened by more than 4% since Donald Trump's victory in the US presidential election last week. Today, the currency continued to slump against the greenback, falling by 0.73% to a near 10-month low on anticipation of a US interest rate hike. It's currently hovering at 4.39 mark. And Bank Group Research expects it to fluctuate in a range of 4.32 to 4.35 against the greenback. National car maker Proton has shortlisted 3 candidates in its hunt for a strategic partner. MITI Deputy Minister Ahmad Maslan says the car maker will hold further talks with these companies. DRB-Hicom, which wholly owns Proton, aims to secure a strategic partner for the Earling Marquee by the first quarter of next year. This is in exchange for a 1.5 billion ringgit soft loan from Putrajaya. It has been reported that France-based Renault and PSA Group and Japan's Suzuki Motor Corp are among the parties interested in cozying up to Proton. At its peak, Proton commanded over 70% of the local market share, that shrank to less than 20% today. Conglomerate YTL Corp posted a set of disappointing results for its first quarter ended September, dragged by lower earnings across most of its segments on lower sales volume and unrealized forex gains. Net profit came in some 26% lower at 150.3 million ringgit, while revenue was down 21.5% to 3.5 billion ringgit. Looking ahead, YTL expects to report better results for the financial year ending June 30th next year, especially with the better numbers from its utilities segment, given that it has launched its 4G LTE services for mobile devices. It says that this business division will continuously be coming up with more competitive products to increase the subscriber base for higher revenue. PM Najib says the KL Singapore high-speed rail project is Japan's #1 priority in terms of more Japanese investment into Malaysia, and that's something that Malaysia welcomes. He knows that the international tender process for the project is expected to take place in the last quarter of 2017. Najib adds that Malaysia and Singapore are expected to sign a bilateral agreement for the project next month, and that the two nations are looking forward to having Japan's bid in the tender process. China, France and Germany have also expressed interest for the project. The Prime Minister is on a 3-day working visit to Tokyo, which ends today.